one level deeper. Okay, we have already developed the business strategy. Okay, in case of the building the business strategy, throughout the first round of the building the business strategy exercise, we chose travel business as our top priority. And then we did the similar exercises again, and by doing that one, we developed in the travel business the detailed strategy to increase the sales of to increase the market share. We decided our strategy we chose to dramatically increase sales to the existing customers instead of developing new customers. What are the detailed strategy? We will strengthen the competitiveness of the existing popular product, and also at the same time we will focus on strengthening relationships with existing customers. Okay, so in case we develop such strategy to increase our sales in business strategy, now we enter into one level deeper in developing the marketing strategy. Especially there are 4 things we have to think about in developing the marketing strategies. The first one is product strategy, and second one is price strategy. Third one is place strategy, and the final one is promotion strategy. All those 4 different strategies start from the alphabet P. We call it 4P strategy, or 4P mixture of marketing strategy. So in developing the marketing strategies, we have to think about those 4 different areas. So that's why we call it 4P mix marketing strategy. Okay, the first one is product strategy. Okay, in case we develop the business strategy to dramatically increase sales to existing customers, and what could be our product strategy? Whether we will upgrade the quality of the existing product or not, or whether we add new features to the existing products or not. Okay, those are slightly different concepts, right? The first one, upgrading the quality of the existing product, is that it's similar to the smartphones. So we are improving the specification of the existing products, okay, without adding new features. Even without adding new features, we will simply upgrade the specs, the specification of the existing products. And by doing that, we will upgrade the qualities. Or we can maintain the specification of the existing products as the same at current level, but we will add new features, different features. So in case of the smartphone, we will add the cameras, or we will add some other new features to the smartphones. Okay. And in terms of the price strategy, do we set the consumer price of the existing product higher or lower than the competitors? According to our analysis, of the competitors, and also particularly to the needs and wants of the customers, we may choose whether we will increase the price of our product or decrease our product, or we can set the price of our product higher or lower the competitors. Okay. Setting the price of the product higher and lower than the competitors are different from increasing or decreasing the consumer price of the existing product, right? So those are two different things we have to consider in deciding the price strategies. And the third one is the place strategy. Place is can be the channels where we will meet the customers. Okay, we create our values by which is embedded in our products or our services. We have to deliver such value we have created to the customers, and then that's the place we meet the customers. Traditionally, all the off-site stores or the factories are the stores are the place we meet the customers. The department stores or the road shops or the any place we meet, the physical place we meet the customers are the places. But under the new economy, after as of today, under the new economy as of today, everybody is selling their products or services through online. So online become one of the very strong sales channels. So we have to think about whether we will sell our existing product through our direct sales forces or through an outside agency. There are pros and cons of choosing direct sales channel or selling through an outside agencies. If we have a strong control over the sales channels, and then it's easier for us to implement the strategic direction through the channels. But it's a little bit it's more if we have our sales channels inside of the company, and that will increase the risk of our businesses. And then it will cost a lot of money. And then once the business is not going well, and we have to, that could be cost centers. But if we use the outside agencies, we can hedge our risks. But at the same time, there is a risk that we cannot control our channel of the outside agencies as we have planned. So depending on our analysis, industry dynamics and the competitors' trends, and then the needs and wants of the customers, we may choose different strategies of channels in terms of the channels. Okay, we will also have to think about whether we will sell the products mainly through the online or the offlines. As I have emphasized, in the new economy, the online channel, the importance of the online channel becomes more important, and we have to think very carefully whether we will increase our investment in online channels or not. Also, whether we decide we will leverage the online channels. We also have to decide whether we will just simply use online channel as our just the communication to the customers or the marketing channels, but most of the sales should be made and offline, or if we just simply use the offline channels as the showrooms to our products or the services, and mainly we sell our products through the online. So we also have to think about the weight of our businesses between online and offlines. And the next one we have to think about is promotion strategy. In terms of the promotion strategy, we also think about whether we do the promotion event frequently or not, or what kind of promotion event do we focus on. There are lots of different promotion events. The first one is and the simplest one is discounting the suggested price. Okay, not permanently, but on a temporary basis. Okay, this is the summer season, and we would like to discount our price by 20%. Okay, or we simply do the 1+1 event. We do not provide any price discount, but if somebody is buying our one item of our product, and we will give another item free of charge. So that means it's the same result of the providing some discount, but there's slight difference between price discount and 1+1 event. Okay, and then finally, giving the free gift is also one of the promotion method. So instead of giving the identical product which the customers buy as the gift, so in 1+1, we are giving just a free gift to the customers who buy our products. So in case the customer, we are selling the sneakers, okay, the sports shoes, and if we do the price discount event, we can say that, okay, during the autumn season, if the customers are buying our sneakers, then we will give 20% discount. That's the price discount. Or 1+1 event is that if the customers are buying one pair of the shoes from us, and then we will give another pair of the shoes free of charge. So we will actually give two pair of the shoes to the customers. And in terms of the free gift, we are doing the promotion that if the customers are buying one pair of the shoes, the sneakers, and then we will give some other things as free gift. For example, the sports hat, sports cap, we as a gift. So those are the different types of the promotion events. So we will also have to think about what kind of the promotion event we will conduct. Okay. So those are more related to the tactics in marketing. So once we develop the high-level strategies, and then we have to think about those different marketing strategies one level further, right? So if we just summarize the final 4P marketing strategy. In order to increase the sales of the existing product to the existing customers, we engage the 4P marketing strategy, and under the marketing strategy, we upgrade the quality of the existing products without introducing new features, and also set customer prices higher than our competitors. because the customers perceive our products better than the competitors, and also our target customers are not very sensitive to the price changes, so we may set our consumer prices higher than our competitors and sell our products only through our salespeople channel. Okay, instead of hiring the outside agency, we stick to sell our products through our salespeople, and we do not offer discounts, but instead offer free gift in promotions. Okay, so by doing those marketing activities, we will increase our sales targeting to existing customers. And then by doing that, we want to increase our market share in the target business, for example, the travel business, from 15% to 25% in 3 years. Why do we increase our market shares? Because according to our first round exercise of the building the business strategy, travel industry is the industry which we think most attractive, and we have the core competencies required to enter in those industries. Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of the building the business strategies, finishing the step number 4, choosing the best strategic options. Even we have developed a strategic direction and the detailed strategy and also the marketing strategy, there is something we have to do, that is actually building the action plan and implementing such action plans. Without the implementation, building the great business strategy is almost useless. So once we develop a very powerful business strategy, now we have to execute such great business strategy in our businesses. Okay, so in next class we will cover how to build the action plan and how to implement those action plans. Okay, thank you very much, and this is the end of today's class, and hope to see you in the next class. Thank you very much. Bye.